So me and Molly, we're trying to make brownies. See?
Two tablespoons of water.
Well, I don't know. Oh man, they have chocolate chips in them.
Right up.
So,
2 tablespoons of water.
I know what I'm doing. All you gotta do is pour water in it. Now, get me a spoon. What else do we need?
Help me get that one.
That's all. Maybe. Okay. Stir it up.
Like a stirred in this.
Awesome. Oh my god, I've never seen one before. Grant, come here. So, here we have this great mixing batter that goes in our bowl. And Grant here is going to take a video of it. Here. Yeah. This is Savannah and Molly making our brownies. Oh my god, are you sure?
Yeah.
Do you want to do it like this?
Mom doesn't make them, Dad does.
Oh, this bowl came with it. F and A. Put it in there. Oh my god, no. Oh my god! Look how cool this is! And it's on its own! No, No.
Okay.
Oh, there's our phone. Can you put that in the fire?
Once you turn it up, one thing I oh my gosh, you can even change the levels, nigga. I know you turned it up to 10. I kinda got scared. I wonder what would happen if we put